Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to get a refund on Steam. It's actually quite simple. At first you have to start Steam and go to Help and click on Steam Support. Now you have to search for the game. Usually it's under Recent Products, but if you don't find it here, just click on Games and Software. If it's still not in this list, you can search for the game here. In my case it's the game Submarine Titans. I just bought the game for the tutorial and now I want a refund. So I click on Submarine Titans. Then I'm choosing the problem that I have with this product. In this case, it's not what I expected. And now you have to click on I'd like to request a refund. So we click on it. Now you have to choose a reason for your refund. So we click in this area and you can choose between points like it won't start or it's not fun. Or in my case, I purchased the game by accident. So I click on this, then I click on Submit Request, and we are done. As you can see, it's not difficult to request a refund, but note that there are some criteria to get your money back. First, it's important that you don't own the game for more than 14 days, and secondly, that you did not play the game for more than 2 hours. It's important to meet both criteria, because you will only get your money back if you meet both of them. But within this time it should not be a problem to get a refund on Steam. I hope the tutorial helped you and I will see you again in the next video. Your tutorial guy. Bye.